damage your logo while editing. Once you lock it, certain section of the edit will be locked. Now you can add different effects right here. Click on the effects sections. Here you can see the style. You can change it. Add the intensity to however you want. Click on none if you like it back. For now I will just be doing this. So you can see this is how it appears right now. Similar to that, here are other lots of different text which you can use. You can if you want something similar to this, click on it and then edit it. Now after text, let's go to style. Here in style we can see lots of different styles. So for example, let's just click on it. Now this will bring to the certain style that has been given here. Here you can see how my everything changed. This is the color theme mostly used, so it changed it to this certain style. If you want to change it to some other style, here click on it. This is how it will appear. Basically these are the trending styles right here. You can create your own as well. Once you click on it, it will change to the certain style. Let's say I like this, you can keep it however you want. Yeah, this is how it will appear. You can change to different style. You can change for just colors only. You can change for the fonts as well. Let's just say going to this. Now you can see the change. Similarly, you can do a lot more. Now going to more. From more, here we know how to add photos, audio, video, background from the upload section. Here you can also add charts and folders. For the easier use, here you can discover content from all of these. You can import your media from here: Dropbox, Facebook, Airbox, Drive, etc. Or you can search Canva apps as well. Now let's go back to elements. Here you can add different graphics, sticker, lines in your logo or in your video designs. You can animate them. Here let's say I want a line right here. Let's click on this. Here you can see the line appears. You can readjust it according to your size. Similarly, if you want a graphic, let's say I want this graphic saying A, or you can add a sticker as well. uh, if it's a moving sticker, you can add it as well, but while downloading, you can download it in PNG form so that it just appear as a logo. For now, let's click on this. Here you can see it appears. Let me add it like here, make it smaller. You can see there are lots of other options for the graphics, for the photo.